We know a lot more now than we know then.
There's still irrigated cultivation going on in the Jubba.
There sure is. Yes. Yeah. In the midst of this otherwise pretty arid environment, you've got two rivers from the highlands of Ethiopia, the Jubba and the Shabeele. That is where much of the fighting is taking place. The two brigades that I referred to that are liberating territory here are pushing Shabab out and then taking land from the locals in both places. Very high value areas. It was also the site of the 2011 famine. Paradoxically, this was the breadbasket of Somalia, and this is where 260,000 people starved in 2011, in part because Shabab was controlling it and was blocking food aid, in part because we suspended food aid because it was going into areas that was controlled by a designated terrorist group, and that was against the Patriot Act. There were a variety of reasons why that happened. But that area continues to be really, really hard hit. Many of the IDPs that I referred to in Mogadishu are from that area. And to make matters a little bit worse, Ethiopia, neighboring Ethiopia, is very much a developmentalist state, and one of its top priorities is damming up its rivers for hydroelectricity and selling the electricity to the whole region. And the Shabeele River is one of the ones that they're looking for, both for hydroelectricity and also for irrigated agriculture in its lowlands. That will divert water in the long run and dry up that breadbasket. I worry a lot about that in the long run. No one's talking about it now because there's so many short-term problems in Somalia.